Yo, what's going on guys? My name is drizzle, and today I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to create a music bot for your private Discord server. So basically I got the inspiration for this video from my old friends' Discord servers, and used to have a music bot, and we were allowed to use songs from YouTube, SoundCloud, and all sorts of sites supported with the music bot. And I've seen a lot of tutorials on YouTube on people explaining how to install it, and a lot of them are like confusing and overcomplicated. Some of them are like reaching over like 20 minutes, and I decided that's just really unnecessary. I wanted to help you guys out and make my own video. So first off, what you're gonna need to know is you're gonna need to have Notepad++. This is going to be the program that you're going to need to edit a lot of the files for the music bot, and it's just gonna be really important. So once you install, if you should have it installed anyway, but once it's installed, you're gonna want to go to Google Chrome or your web browser and search up music bot. It will be the first link you see on Google. Click it. It's gonna be from GitHub, and clone or download. Click on downzip. Now you're going to want to you can download it wherever you want, but I think the best place to download it is in your users and your user file, and I'll just save it here. Once it's done downloading, you're going to want to show in folder. Click on it and place this into the file. So it's going to be right here. And you're going to want to leave this alone because we're going to come back to it in a few seconds. But once you have that installed, you're going to want to install Python. It's a programming language. It's basically the building blocks of the music bot. You're going to want to go to downloads, and this part is very important. Make sure you download 3.5.1. This is going to be the version that's compatible with the music bot at the time. It might change in the future depending on the updates that happen to the bot, but for now you want to download 3.5.1. And now you're going to want, this part's important too. If you're using Mac, I don't really know much about this, but this is going to be description right here. But for Windows, you want to click on Windows x86 installer. Download that right here. And I already have it downloaded, but for practical sakes, I'll show you the process. Click on run. Now you're going to want to make sure you click on check add Python 3.5 to path, and if you have multiple users, also make sure you click on install launchers for all users, and then click on install now. I already have it installed, so I'll leave it there. Next, what you're going to want to do is search up Discord developers. Now this is going to be basically your control panel for your bot, and depending if you install more bots for your Discord server, this is basically going to be the place you're going to go. Click on plus new app, and you can name it whatever you want, but for the time's sakes, I'll just name it Superbot123. Add an icon and description if you want to. Now next you want to click on create app, and then create a bot user. Now make sure you copy your client ID, and there will be a link in the description below that you're gonna want to put in your like Notepad file, so you can edit it and place it in the client ID. But I have a paste bin, so I'll put it there. Now next you're going to want to paste that into your web browser and actually go to the link, and it's going to ask to add a bot to your server. Add it to which server that you want to add it to, and then click on authorize. So once it's authorized, next you're going to want to go back to your music bot folder, which is right over here, and you're going to want to click on config. Next you're going to want to copy example_options.ini, paste it, and rename it to options. Next, you're going to want to edit it with Notepad++. It's going to ask for your owner ID and your bot token right here. So first, to get your owner ID, you're going to want to click on Discord. Click on user settings. Click on appearance. Go down to developer mode. Make sure that it is checked, because that's going to allow you to check people's IDs. So basically, if you right click on them, you'll be able to click on their copy ID. So you're going to obviously want to copy your ID if you're the owner. Go back to Notepad++ and paste that in. Next, you're going to want to go to bot token. And to get your bot token, you go back to your web browser and your developer. Copy that. And make sure it's a public bot and require OAuth 2 code grant. That's going to be really important. So next you're going to want to go back to your Notepad++ and paste that in. So once that's done, make sure it's saved. And there's also going to be some other important stuff. If you want to use your auto playlist, I suggest you guys pick no, because it's going to have a lot of random songs that you've never heard of. But so make sure you turn off auto playlist. Click on X. Now this is going to be the final parts, what you need to know. Make sure you run update_deps.bat. And this will basically make sure that you have everything installed for Python and the requirements are up to date. So once it's done, it'll probably look like that. Yep, everything's up to date, so you'll know it's up to date. Next, you're going to want to click on Run Bot, and this is basically like the program. Like each time you want to turn on your bot, you're gonna want to go here. And once it's installed, it will come to your server, and basically it's online. So if you go to a channel, you can press !summon, and it'll come to your chat, just like that. And once that's done, if you save it here, I recommend that you guys create a shortcut and place that into your desktop, and you can name it to whatever. So if you want, you can name it Music Bot, and you can click it each time, just like that. And there you go, you've installed a Music Bot. So it's the Music Bot's really fun, and there's a lot of supported websites that work with it. But anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And this has been Drizzle or Drizzify, and peace out.